Hello, my name is Brian Reynolds, and I'm the District Technology Coordinator for Bay Village Schools in Bay Village, Ohio. Last year, I began a new EdTech journey as a Technology Coordinator for Bay Village Schools. What I love about my new position is that it allows me to maintain my passion for teaching while pairing it with my true love, technology. Blended learning is on the rise in Bay Village, and I'm very excited to be leading that charge. As we began to purchase a lot more Chromebooks last year, there was a great deal of interest from teachers on how to best integrate these devices into their lessons and their classroom. As a result, I worked with my curriculum director to write and co-teach a blended learning course for teachers last spring. The course was so popular that this past summer we offered it as a series of summer workshops, which have been very well attended. Each opportunity that I've had to teach and collaborate with staff has been very rewarding, and I want to serve as their resident expert on Google Apps for Education, and that's what's led me to my application here today. I'd like to thank you in advance for considering my application, and I hope you enjoy my mini lesson on a Google tool with a little foreign language twist. I'd like to talk now about one of my favorite new Google tools located in Google Docs called voice typing. Where I located the microphone here was that I clicked on Tools and Voice Typing. So I'll make mine go away just so you can see it reappear. Voice typing reappears. Once I click on it, anything I say will get dictated for me. So let's give it a shot. Hello, I am Brian Reynolds, and I am a technology teacher, period. You notice I had to say the word period so that it would put in the punctuation for me. Let's try some other voice commands now to see how that might work. Select technology. Highlight yellow. Bold. Underline. Undo. There's a whole variety of commands that you could do normally by clicking on these things, but if you happen to know the word for those commands, you could also do it with your voice and save yourself a lot of time. And it's also just really fun to do as well. In addition to dictating in English, something that I noticed as a former Spanish teacher is that I can also change the language to something else. As a Spanish teacher, knowing some Spanish, I'm going to change it to Spanish here. Hola, me llamo Brian y soy profesor de tecnología. Where this could be really useful for teachers if they're a world language teacher is they could be giving their students a list of words that might be difficult to pronounce, and on their own with their Chromebooks right in front of them, if they're a one-to-one district or one-to-one classroom, the students could actually pronounce these words and see if what gets dictated through the voice typing is actually what is on the paper. And then they could afterward use Google Translate to see what they were saying if the teacher hasn't told them already. So these are some ways that we're using voice typing already in Bay Village schools, and I just wanted to highlight that for you and hope it's just as useful in your district as well.